Hello everyone and welcome to this Lickd Pricing Plans Explained. Well, every content creator knows the sinking feeling of seeing a copyright claim. You spend hours editing a masterpiece only to have the revenue stripped away because you used a 15-second clip of a song you love. But what if you could actually use Billboard charting hits without the fear of the red strike? We'll be breaking down the average video system, exploring how track credits work, and walking through the calculator to find your specific price point. Also, if you want to try Lickd yourself, you could use my link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and start using licensed music in your YouTube videos easily. Before we look at the numbers, we have to understand the why. Historically, if you wanted to use a song by an artist like Justin Bieber or Coldplay, you need to contact a label, negotiate a sync license, and likely pay thousands of dollars. Lickd has completely disrupted this by creating a pre-cleared library. They've negotiated with the big players so you don't have to. But because these are mainstream tracks and not just generic stock music, the pricing is a bit more dynamic than a standard flat rate subscription. Now, Lickd uses a unique pay for what you use and pay for your size model. This is built around your average video views or AVV. When you land on the Lickd pricing page, the first thing you'll see is a calculate your price tool. This is the heart of the platform. Lickd doesn't believe a creator with 100 subscribers should pay the same as a creator with 10 million. To get your pricing, you head to the Choose Your Average Video Views drop-down menu. The tiers typically range from 0 to 50k views, all the way up to 2 million plus views. For most growing creators, you'll likely fall in the 0 to 50k or 50 to 100k brackets. Now, once you've selected your view count, you see the subscription options. Lickd offers 3 main levels based on the number of premium track credits you want. There is the 1 premium track credit per month, 2 premium track credits per month, and 4 premium track credits per month. Now let's clarify what a premium track is versus a royalty-free track. Every Lickd subscription, regardless of the tier, comes with unlimited royalty-free tracks. These are high-quality songs that you can use as much as you want. The credits, however, are your golden tickets. 1 credit equals 1 license for a mainstream famous song. If you're on the 1 credit plan, you can pick 1 massive hit every month to be the centerpiece of your video. When you sign up and select a plan, you're not just getting music, you're getting the Vouch software. This is a proprietary tool that connects to your YouTube channel. When you license a track, Lickd vouches for your video to YouTube's Content ID system. This effectively crushes any copyright claims before they even happen. If you do get a claim, Lickd has an all your copyright claims crushed guarantee where their support team handles the dispute for you. Now let's look at the actual numbers for a standard creator. If you select 0 to 50k views tier, your subscription usually starts at a very accessible monthly rate, often around the price of 2 cups of coffee. Now as you move up to 100 to 200k views, the price increases. Why they increase? Because the music labels charge more when a song is heard by more people. Lickd scales this so it's always fair. If your channel blows up and you hit the 2 million plus views tier, the site will prompt you to talk to us. This is a concierge service for enterprise level creators where they offer custom licensing deals, music selection support, and partnership opportunities. What happens if you've used your monthly credits, but you absolutely need another hit song for a special project? You don't have to wait for the next billing cycle. Lickd allows you to purchase one-off licenses. For smaller creators, these start as low as $8 per track. Again, compare that to the thousands you'd pay in the traditional world, and it's a steal. Lickd is very creator-friendly when it comes to commitments. On the pricing page, you see the sign up today, cancel anytime promise. There is also a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is a huge safety net. If you sign up and realize you haven't used a track credit in your first month, you can reach out to them for a full refund. This shows that they are confident you find value in the library. At this point, we'd like to remind you that if you want to try Lickd yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and start using licensed music in your YouTube videos easily. It's the best way to see the library for yourself without any upfront cost. You might ask, why is the subscription more expensive than other music platforms? Well, most other platforms offer only royalty-free or stock music. While that music is great for the background, it doesn't have the stop-the-scroll power of a recognizable hit. Lickd is an investment in your engagement. When a viewer hears a song they know and love, their brain releases dopamine. They're more likely to stay tuned, which boosts your audience retention. Lickd isn't just a music site, it's a growth tool. You are paying for the legal right to use better music. As they say on their site, better music matters. The platform is designed to grow with you. If you find yourself needing more than 4 credits in a month, you can upgrade your subscription right in the dashboard. The extra credits are applied immediately. Conversely, if you have a slow month, you can downgrade your subscription. The change takes effect on your next billing date. And here's the best part. You keep any credits you've already received. They don't just vanish. Now, once you've picked a plan, you'll be using the search and filter menus. Lickd's interface is built like a professional music player. You could filter by genre, mood, vocal type, BPM, and duration. This makes spending your monthly credits very efficient. You aren't just browsing aimlessly, you're finding the perfect sonic match for your edit. To decide which plan to pick, look at your last 10 videos. How many views did you get on average? That's your tier. Now, how often do you post? If you post once a week, the 4 credit plan is perfect. 1 mainstream hit per video. If you do daily vlogs, you might want the unlimited royalty-free access for your daily content and save your premium credits for your big monthly specials. In the world of YouTube, the first 30 seconds are everything. Using Lickd mainstream track in your intro can increase your retention by up to 20% because it gives your video an immediate sense of production value. It makes you look like a pro even if you're editing in your bedroom. So if you're tired of generic background loops and you're ready to level up your content, now is the time to act. So if you want to try Lickd yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and start using licensed music in your YouTube videos easily. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.